Everyone tells you to start investing with just $100. They say, start small. Every dollar counts. Just begin anywhere. Sounds smart, right? But what if I told you that starting too small might actually be the reason you never build real wealth? Today, we're talking about the $100 trap and why millions of people think they're investing when they're actually just staying broke slowly. Stay until the end because the final strategy could completely change how you invest forever. Meet Alex. Alex watched finance videos, opened a brokerage account, started investing $100 per month. He felt proud, responsible, disciplined. 5 years later, his account barely changed his life. No financial freedom, no real progress, just small numbers moving slowly. So what went wrong? It wasn't discipline, it wasn't motivation, it was the strategy. Here's the truth no one talks about. Small investing feels productive because it gives you emotional progress. You feel like you're building wealth. But mathematically, small investing without income growth creates extremely slow financial change. And slow progress creates frustration. Frustration makes people quit. Let's do real numbers. If you invest $100 per month with a 7% annual return, after 10 years, you'll have about $17,000. That sounds decent until you realize that's less than the price of a used car. After a full decade of discipline. The problem isn't investing. The problem is scale. The $100 trap happens when you focus on tiny investments instead of increasing financial capacity. You believe investing alone will create wealth, but wealth is built in stages. Stage 1 is income growth. Stage 2 is high savings rate. Stage 3 is investing for scale. Most people try to skip stage 1 and stage 2, and that keeps them stuck. Small investing creates a false sense of security. You feel like you're doing enough, so you don't increase income aggressively, build new skills, start businesses, negotiate salary, change career paths. You stay comfortable, but financially stagnant. The biggest danger isn't math, it's psychology. When people invest small amounts, they believe time alone will make them rich. But time without scale does not create financial freedom. It creates slow-motion survival. The financial industry loves the start small message because it sounds positive. But nobody tells you this. Investing is a multiplier, and multiplying small numbers still gives you small results. The real game isn't starting small, it's becoming capable of investing big consistently. Here's the smarter approach. Step 1. Increase your earning power. Learn high-value skills. Switch to higher income roles. Build scalable income streams. Step 2. Increase savings rate dramatically. Target 20 to 40% savings if possible. Step 3. Invest aggressively once your base is strong. Now investing actually changes your life. Two people invest differently. Person A invests $100 per month for 20 years. Person B focuses on income growth for 5 years, then invests $1,000 per month afterward. Guess who wins? Person B wins by a massive margin because investing power matters more than starting tiny. Investing small isn't wrong, but believing it's enough is the real mistake. Use small investing as a habit builder, not as your main financial strategy. Your real mission should be increase income, increase capacity, then increase investment size. The $100 trap keeps people feeling productive while staying financially stuck. Wealth isn't built by tiny moves forever. It's built by increasing your financial power over time. If you want to understand money the way real wealth builders do, subscribe to Mo Invests, because the biggest financial mistakes are the ones that sound like good advice.